Good morning, dear students. Today we can study how to convert gram into kilogram. Okay. For that, the question is convert the following to kilogram. 4 questions are there. Okay. Before starting this, we want to write here it's milligram, gram, and kilogram. Okay. To change a milligram to kilogram, that is this direction we want to divide, and if it move to this direction we want to multiply. Here it is 1000 and here also it's a 1000. Okay, we can go to the first question. It's a 8000 gram. Okay, we want to convert this gram to kilogram, that is it's the direction, so it's a division. So 8000 divided by which number? 1000. Now it's become kilogram. Okay, it's equal to, we want to divide this 8000 by 1000. So how to do? First we want to write the numerator. After that, from right to left, after 3 digits, here 3 zeros are there, 1 2 3. After 3 digits we want to give a decimal point, that's 1 2 3. Here we want to give this. Okay, then this much kilogram, here all are 0, so what we can write? 8 kilogram. Okay, then the next question, it's question number 2. Question number 2, it's a 61,000 gram. We want to convert this gram to kilogram. Then gram to kilogram, we want to gram to kilogram. Then it's a 1000. The operation is division. Okay. Then 61,000 divided by 1000 kilogram. To convert this, we can write the numerator first. Then divided by 1000 means 1 2 3. From right to left, 3 digit, 1 2 3. Here we want to give decimal point, so it's a kilogram. Then 61 point, then all are 0, so we can avoid that part. So it's equal to 61 kilogram. Clear? Now we can go to the third question. Third one, 47,990 gram. Okay, then it's equal to this, we want to convert into kilogram, gram to kilogram, division. Okay, then it's a 47,990. Okay, 47,000 divided by 1000. Now it's converted to kilogram. Okay, the units are very important. So we can write the numerator. Then here after how many digits we want to give decimal point? Here 1 2 3. So 3 digits, 1 2 3. Here we want to give the decimal point. So the answer is this much kilogram. Or we can write it's 47 kilogram 990 gram. Okay, is it clear? All these you want to write into your notebook. Okay, the next question, 4,300 gram. Okay, fourth question, 4,300 gram. To convert this, we want to divide with 1000. Divided by 1000 kilogram. So it's equal to, where we want to give decimal point. Here how many zeros are there? 1 2 3. So after 3 digits, 1 2 3. Here we want to give decimal point. Okay, this much kilogram. What it means? It means 4 kilogram 300 gram. Clear? The next set of questions. Convert the following to milligram. We want to convert these into milligram. That's 8 gram. The first question is 8 gram. We want to convert this 8 gram to milligram. Gram to milligram. It's the direction. Okay, gram to milligram. Gram to milligram. So what to do? Multiplication. Multiplication with which number? 1000. So 8 gram we want to convert into milligram. So we want to multiply with 1000. Now it's converted to milligram. Then 8 into 1000. It's 8000 milligram. You know how to multiply this one. 8 you can write. After 8 into 1, 8, then 3 zeros. Okay. Now we can go to the second question. Second question, 6 gram 500 milligram. Okay, then we can split into 2, 6 gram plus 500 milligram. Here we want to convert these into milligram. Here 500 is given, it's in milligram. Okay. It's given in milligram. Then we want to convert this 6 gram into milligram. Then how we can convert this 6 gram to milligram? 6 into 1000. Now it's converted to milligram plus 500 milligram. It's equal to 6 into 1000. It's 6000 milligram plus 500 milligram. Now we want to add these two, that is 6000 plus 500. How much it is? 60056 milligram. Clear? Then we can go to the third question. Third question, 3 gram 210 milligram. We want to convert this into milligram. Here it's already given in milligram. So first we can split into 2. It's 3 gram plus 210 milligram. 3 gram equal to 3 into 1000 milligram. It's gram to milligram. We want to multiply with 1000. Okay, then plus 210 milligram. 3 into 1000 is 3000 milligram plus 210 milligram. It's equal to, now both are in milligram, then we can add, isn't it? So it's 3000 plus 210. It's equal to 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 2, 3 milligram. That is 3210 milligram. Is it clear? Now we can go to the fourth question. Fourth question, 9 gram 55 milligram. Okay, here it's equal to 9 gram plus 55 milligram. Then 55 milligram, it's here, 0 we will give here, isn't it? Okay. Now we can avoid all these. Okay, 9 into 1000 milligram plus 55 milligram. Okay, it's equal to 9000 milligram plus 55 gram. We want to, sorry, here milligram. Okay, sorry, so it's a 9000 milligram, 55 milligram. It's given in milligram. Now we can add all these two. It's 9000 plus 55. Then 5509 milligram. Clear? You want to write all these into your notebook.